2220 14th Avenue West in Seattle, Washington, the Queen Anne neighborhood. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, duplex. What more can I say? Let's check it out.
Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to the multiverse, baby. Seattle Side Quest. Featuring your friendly neighborhood broker. Pull up in the Prius, cosplay hoodie. Business cards tucked in the Dungeon Master booklet. Open house day, he got comics on the table. Stormtrooper helmet by the router and the cable. Hi, I'm Silas. Hey! Handshake firm. Quote a whole trilogy while you sign that term. Flow plan ready like a level map drawn. Color coded like a character sheet all night long. He got dad jokes loaded in the side holster. Great schools here plus the Wi-Fi's closer. Points at the kitchen like a plot twist drop. This pantry, bruh, more space than your Steam shop. He the agent for nerds. Yeah, he's speaking your words from the skyline mist to the cul-de-sac curves. If you roll for home, he increasing your odds. Got a key in his hand, got his head in the pods. He the agent for nerds, where the weird all converges. You want roots in the rain, but a room for your servers. When you're ready for a lair in the land of the pines, you call Silas Lindenstein. He'll find you a condo with a bonus for your board games. Basement turn battle station, triple mount of wall flames. Hookups in the wall for the fiber line. Natural light and a nook for your shrine. Got a place with a view where the fog rolls in. Like a boss fight arena where the last row wins. He'll say, picture this, then he paints that frame. You and 4 friends yelling over split screen games. He know every little law like a rules compendium. Read small print like an ancient codex and opinion. Negotiation style like a plot on a perk. Smile staying goofy while the numbers all work. Inspection pass. He raised one brow. This garage fit the full-size model of the Tumblr somehow. Laughs at his own bit, keep the vibe light. But the contract alignment always lawful, right? He the agent for nerds, yeah. He's speaking your words from the skyline mist to the cul-de-sac curves. If you roll for home, he increasing your odds. Got a key in his hand, got his head in the pies. He the agent for nerds, where the weird all converges. You want roots in the rain, but a room for your servers. When you're ready for a lair in the land of the pines, you call Silas Lindenstein.